Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can perform the hard reset of your Urbanista London earbuds. So to do this, we have to simply put our earbuds inside this charging case, the right and the left one, and right now we have to click and hold this button and hold it for around 10 seconds until this indicator blinks 3 times. So let's do this right now. There we go. As you can see right now, they disappear from the list, and we can release these buttons. Right now you can close this case to finish this hard reset process. Right now open this charging case one more time and click and hold this button one more time to move them to the parent mode. Wait until they starts blinking. Just like that. Right now when you pick your previously connection, you will get the new pairing request, so it means that we successfully restore all default settings. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.